Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today, it's a really cold, snowy day. Instead of being locked up in the house all day, not doing anything, just watching movies, I decided I'm going to carbon fiber wrap the center radio piece. The only things you'll need are a 7mm ratchet and something to pry up with. Pretty much what you'll be prying up is this centerpiece here. I recommend not starting in the front. You have to pop your center console up. Start at the back and work your way forward. That way you're not scratching all the most visible pieces. After you pop this up, you'll have two 7mm screws here and then tabs. So once you pop these up or undo these, you should be able to pop this out. You'll have to disconnect here, a wire here underneath this. And that should come right off with some wires, and that's about it. So here we go. Alright, I'm taking a butter knife because I don't have cool tools. And I'm going to start in this corner and get it pried up. So start in the back, very simple, in the console to where you don't scratch anything. Nobody's gonna see that. And then this just pops right up. You'll have a clip underneath on the side where you'll have to undo. It's not hard, simple harness. Pops off like every other harness ever made. You have some more harnesses in the back. Alright, so I'm gonna pop off the actual back one so I can spin it. Pop one, pop two, and then there you go. Then I'm going to take 7mm and undo these two small bolts here. And like my other video, take the parts, put them on top of the dash so we know where they are for later. Rotate this over a little bit and undo these. If you watch other videos, they start trying to pry it up on the sides, and they are just tearing into their interior, which, I don't know about you guys, these cars are a little expensive to just be scratching the hell out of things. So I'm telling you, if you start back here in the center, it's where to go. Taking my time with this so I don't scratch anything. So while we're taking this apart, I'm going to start to go ahead and tell you guys what the channel's going to be about. Pretty much anything I do to the Mustang, I'm going to try to do a video on, installs, on pretty much anything. That way you guys can get a look at what you're getting into, what you'll need, how much time you expect it'll take to do something. So if you guys have any requests on any videos specifically, please comment. Let me know what you want to see. So after those are popped off, I'm gonna slide this back a little bit. It says to pry from the top. A little worried about that, but we'll give it a go. Good old butter knife and a rag. Start in the corner. I guess I'll go above it like it says because there's two clips. There. Yeah, okay. No scratches at all. You're gonna, where I did mine at, where it was right here, popped off pretty easy. I'm gonna try another one right here and it should come straight out. Well, I went ahead and put the screws back in, connected the connector back, push it back into place, put the screws in, push this back down. Everything lined up pretty well. I mean, I'm not the best person to wrap in the world, but I'm happy with it. It's a $5 mod, I guess you could say. I don't remember when I bought the wrap, but whether you're wrapping or replacing, fixing something, it was just a quick video on how to take it out, pretty much. So I hope it helped whoever's watching this. If not, I hope it filled your day being bored. I appreciate it. Until next time.